Time is money. The faster that shoppers can complete their purchases, the better it is for small businesses. When entry-level applications need a professional answer, the simplicity and effectiveness of the handheld readers is paramount. What if there was an affordable, tough, ergonomic handheld scanner at hand to boost productivity beyond all expectations? Introducing the fantastic new cordless QuickScan entry-level scanner. It completes the best-selling 2500 series of handheld devices from Datalogic. Regardless of the size of your operation or whatever your budgetary constraints, the QuickScan 2500 series is ready to jump into action. Increase your operational efficiency with Star Radio. Interference-free communication is just a trigger pull away. No more delays with payback in just 3 months. Bluetooth or Star Radio, the cordless choice is yours. First-time scanning, always. Even with hard-to-read barcodes from mobile device screens or through plexiglass barriers. Keep your customers happy. Extreme precision and extreme accuracy every time. Instant feedback you will never miss. All-in-one class-leading performance and comfort. An incredible 10 million trigger pulls guaranteed. Failure is not an option. Your operation, non-stop performance. Datalogic guarantees your confidence by providing an incredible 5-year standard warranty across the entire 2500 product range. No other cordless product is available on the market today with such a long warranty period. Protect your business. Protect your investment. The QuickScan 2500 is the trusted companion from Datalogic that will never let you down.